Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the Premier Protein Caramel Flavored Protein Shake. 30 grams of protein. I really like these little protein shakes because they're convenient and they come with a good amount of protein per calories. There is 160 calories, only 1 gram of sugar. It has 24 vitamins and minerals, and it's got 30 grams of protein per serving and only 3 grams of fat, 4 total carbs. So the macronutrients on this are really great. And I find that the convenience factor alone is amazing, but the fact that this has good macronutrients as well is just perfect. So it's a long list of the vitamins there. It has a lot of different things in it, all the main ones that you get in a multivitamin. But I'm going to crack right into this and give it my review. Premier Protein Caramel. Yeah, it has a nice caramel flavor to it. I kind of wish it was like a salted caramel because I find salted caramel protein shakes always taste really good, but it's still got a nice caramel taste to it. It actually tastes authentic to the actual caramel little squares that you can get. I haven't had those in a really long time, but that's exactly what this reminded me of. So pretty cool. Yeah, it literally tastes like a liquid version of a caramel, and it's got the amazing macronutrients. So really cool high protein shake. They call it a high protein shake. It's not just a protein shake, it's a high protein shake. So that's pretty nice. I'll have one more sip of this Premier Protein. I'll give my final review. It's creamy, good tasting. Tastes a lot like caramel. So the Premier Protein Caramel Protein Shake, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this an 8.5 out of 10. It's really good. It tastes very spot on like the caramel that you see on the package there. And it's pretty cool since there's 30 grams of protein, only 160 calories, and it has an amazing taste. So I'm a big fan of these. They make macronutrient counting easy because they got 30 grams of protein square with only 160 calories. A lot of protein bars would be 14 to 20 grams of protein with over 200 calories. So this is much better than a protein bar in terms of macronutrients. So good stuff. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.